This is the official SAT question of the day from the College Board website from November 27, 2015, and I'm going to show you how to answer it. In the figure above, O is the center of the circle and triangle ABO is equilateral. If the sides of triangle ABO are of length 6, what is the length of line BC? Now, first I'm going to show you the non-math nerd way to solve it, and then I'll show you the math nerd way to solve it. Alright, so first thing we do with math questions on the SAT is look at the answers. Now you see you've got these 3 answers here that all have square root of 3 on them. So that probably means there's a 30, 60, 90 triangle in here somewhere. Because if you remember at the beginning of every math section, you're given a set of formulas and a set of drawings, and this is one of them. This is called a 30, 60, 90 triangle because this angle is 30 degrees, this angle is 60 degrees, and this angle is 90 degrees. So let's see if I can put this somewhere. There we go. So we're probably going to need this. Now they told us that triangle ABO was equilateral and its sides were length 6. And that means that all 3 angles are the same too. And since there are 180 degrees inside a triangle, all 3 of those angles are 60 degrees. So this is 60, this is 60, and this is 60. Now since this is 60, that means this is 120. And also since this side of the equilateral triangle here is 6, if you notice it goes from the center of the circle to the edge of the circle, meaning this is a radius. This here also goes from the center of the circle to the edge of the circle, so it's a radius. So it's also 6. So you have this triangle with 2 sides that are 6, and this one that's obviously more than 6. This is an isosceles triangle. That means that these 2 angles are the same. And if this is 120, 180 minus 120 is 60 degrees. And if these are the same, they're both half of that. So these are both 30. So you've got a 30 degree angle here, a 60 degree angle here. That means for this big triangle, this big angle here has to be 90 degrees. So that's our 30, 60, 90 triangle. Now you'll notice, if you can relate that big 30, 60, 90 to this triangle, here's your 30 degrees. The side across from it is your x. So the side across from the 30 is 6. So your x equals 6 here. And then the side across from your 90, which is this side, this side here, should equal 2x. And if you'll notice, you've got 6 and 6. So it does equal 2x, which is 12. That means this side, which is across from your 60, is x times the square root of 3. So since x is 6, x times the square root of 3 is just 6 times the square root of 3. So your answer is C. Now I said I was going to show you the non-math nerd way to solve it first, and then the math nerd way. But I kind of intertwined them in there because I had to show you why this was a 30, 60, 90, and not just assume that it was, because there were 3 answers over here with a square root of 3 in them. And just because you have a 30, 60, 90 triangle doesn't mean that one of the square root of 3 answers has to be your answer. It is possible that one of these whole numbers is your answer, because they, again, the SAT likes to trick you, and they really like to throw a little curveball in there that makes the square root of 3 cancel or something crazy like that. So don't just guess one of these just because it has a square root of 3 on it, but really run through the calculations and use these formulas that they give you in the front of every math section. Use them. They're there for you to help you, so let them help you. Learn how to use them. Come back here and watch my videos, and I'll show you how to use them. And make sure you use them, because they're there for a reason. They're there because you need them to answer the questions. As always, if you have any questions about this one, you can leave those questions in the comments, or you can email me at andrew@avmathcoach.com. I do read everything. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.